know you can relate to this, right? Your dining room table covered with textbooks and laptops, maybe your countertops are full of crayons and notebooks, mine are. The pandemic has turned so many homes into mini classrooms, and we turned to an organization expert for some help. Take a look.
These days, our kids' learning situations have changed, so our homes need to change along with them. But if you're not a professional organizer, don't worry. I have 5 tips to help you organize your virtual learning space. First, purchase a desk. A desk is one of the most important pieces for your virtual classroom. Our desk is part of a shelving system, but you can use a table or a traditional desk. Before this setup, our space was designed for play. Now, work is the main focus. Second, shelving. Shelving helps you save tons of space, especially essential for families with multiple children. We have 2 boys, and this center shelving separates our 2 desks.
And done.
We're able to keep everything organized and separate without taking up valuable square footage. 3, eliminate distractions. We originally had our toys on display. Now, we've tucked them away into cubes so the boys don't focus on play while doing their schoolwork. 4, labels. These bin clips are amazing time savers. Everything has a place. I print labels at home using cardstock, cut them to size, and they slide right in. I also have a label maker, which I love. There are plenty of great ones under $50. And last but not least, make the room look like a fun classroom. You can hang posters, display globes, corkboards, or whatever colorful learning tool you can think of. Do all this, and you can transform your space from this to this.
I love my new space.
Oh, the Goldson family, such a wonderful group. Also, such a good job. Could you please come to my house? Okay, the Giants quarterback may end up being one of the greats, but this is the moment he'll never forget. Maybe because his teammates and Coy Wire won't let him. That's all I had.
Home Sweet Home Improvement is brought to you by Bath Fitter, proudly transforming bathrooms for over 35 years.
Now is the time for a new bath from Bath Fitter. Every Bath Fitter bath is installed quickly, safely, and beautifully with a lifetime warranty. Go from old to new, from worn to wow. The beautiful bath you've always wanted, done right, installed by one expert technician, all in one day. We've been creating moments like these for 35 years, and we're here to help you get started. Book your free virtual or in-home design consultation today.